Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Sajid Mughal and today I'm gonna show you that how you can install the OpenCart on your localhost system and design and develop a online store for you. So let's follow these steps. First of all, you have to go to official website of OpenCart, opencart.com. Here you can see the latest version is available 2.2. Click on this and now download now. You can see downloading has been started, but I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded it. So first step is this: you have to download the OpenCart from here. Now here I have downloaded the OpenCart here. Just I'm going to copy this, copy and go to XAMPP and here htdocs. Here just paste it and unextract. Now you can see it is extracted over here. I'm going to delete this one because I have not needed, and here you can see this is extracted version. Open this and here upload, here select all, or you can click Ctrl A and copy, go to XAMPP. Here I am going to create my new website like OpenCart. New folder, I'm going to create new folder with name online shop. Okay, just open this and paste all the, you can see here Ctrl V. I have pasted all the information over here. Okay, now start your XAMPP. First you can see over here I have already started this XAMPP and MySQL. Now go to your browser and write here localhost slash online shop, which is the name of my folder. You will see the screen like this. Now click continue. Okay, in the second step of installation you can see over here all is well, but two things are missing over here. You can see this is missing over here. Now go to your folder online shopping and rename this with and delete dict just config.php. and first we have to do this, and second go to admin and here rename this with config.php. Now again go to your browser and refresh this. You can see over here everything is okay. Now click continue. Here some database information, it's asking about database information. I have not created any database yet, so I have to create database first. Localhost slash php myadmin. go to phpMyAdmin and click on new database. I'm going to name this shop online db. Shop online db is my database name. Create. You can see database is created. Now go to here. Now you can see over here db driver is this localhost, root, password. I have not set any kind of password. What is my database name? My database name is shop online db, and remain all the things is here. You can change your name, but I am going to set this as default admin, and password pass, and here you can write your email address. I am going to write my email address over here and let's click continue. Congratulations, you have installed OpenCart on your localhost successfully. Here you can visit your shopping cart, go to your online shop. You can see anything is installed over here. You have to just modify them according to your needs and wishes. Now right click back, and here you can see log into your administration. Click on this, and I am going to log in my admin name and pass is my password. Login. I have successfully logged into my OpenCart where I can customize this. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for further video. If you have any query, you can ask me over here. If you have any order regarding web development, logo designing, video editing or data entry, you can contact me over here www.fiverr.com/excelyourdata. This is my official profile and I accept the orders here. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.